What's up?
Hey, what's up?
What are you doing?
Just talking to my friend.
Talking to your friends? Oh, cool.
Yeah, just texting, trying to figure out plans for later.
All right. Cool. So, what'd you do last night?
Why do you care? Come
Yeah,
on,
you're
I'm
my
busy right
stepsister. I'm interested in what you do, like for fun and stuff.
now. You never care what I do.
Because you were really quiet last night in your room. I mean, you're usually loud and laughing and shit and talking to people on the phone.
Well, I was really tired last night,
Yeah,
so I went to bed early.
it seems like you went to bed real early.
I did. What are you like?
Is there anything you want to tell me about what you've been doing at night?
No? Go to your room.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Well, I'm kind of giving you a chance to come clean, maybe.
Go away, Tony.
Okay, is that how you want to play it then? Because I was looking for my wallet in the bathroom and I went through one of the drawers in there and I actually found these. You want to explain this?
Those aren't mine.
Oh, they're not yours?
No.
No.
I've never seen those before.
Yeah, okay, so, I mean, I think they're your side. Well, you know what? You treat me fucked up, so this is, consider this payback for all the years of abuse. Come on,
Wow.
why are you being
You're so manipulative.
Let me see. I know you know how to shake it. Come on. Don't be shy. I know you're not shy. Oh my god, yes. Let me see what you're working with.
Fine, I'll show you my tits, but that's it.
No, I make the rules. Show me your tits, but that's not it.
I hate you.